Unable to decide which laptop to buy? With many models available in the market at such competitive prices, it becomes difficult to choose. Don't worry folks, in this video we will have a detailed discussion of the 5 best laptops of 2020 you should check out. Whether you're looking for a work from home station, a budget laptop or a gaming model, this video will help you to find your right fit. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more such tech videos. Starting with MacBook Air 2020 is the best laptop made by Apple. It is a go-to laptop for college students who want a good battery life in a light and portable model. Apple has given a quad-core processor with Intel chips that provide the Air with excellent performance edge. For people looking to video or photo editing, graphic designing or just a Netflix binge watch, the Retina display provides built-in color accuracy. The thin laptop weighs as light as 2 books at 2.75 pounds. The fact that this beautiful machine is priced below $1,000 make it popular choice. The excellent trackpad and keypad give it a premium look. What's disappointing about the MacBook Air is that it does not have a touchscreen, while its competitors in this range do. Also, it is not built for gaming. If that is what you're looking for, you might want to check out Razer Blade 15, which is next on our list. The Apple MacBook Air is designed with precision, durability and balance. Next on our list is the best gaming laptop, the Razer Blade 15. With many options available at different price points, what makes Razer Blade 15 our choice? You should invest in its build and performance. Unlike most high-end gaming laptops in the market that are bulky, Razer Blade 15 packs a ton of performance power without a bloated size. Priced at $2,900, this fast machine has a 6-core Intel i7 processor with 16GB RAM. It runs on NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 video card, which is a treat for all the nerds. What do you think about this new generation ray-traced gaming? Let me know in the comments down below. The system has a 100% color accurate output and an HD Max Q display with a refresh rate of more than 240. Offering edge-to-edge view with the thinnest bezels, the Razer Blade 15 is fit for all heavy tasks like video editing, gaming or just watching a movie. Aimed at hardcore gamers, the budget point might put off a lot of customers. The laptop also does not offer more than 4 hours of a battery life. If you are looking for another powerful laptop that can handle video games but offers better features with reduced setting and price points, the MacBook Pro 16 might be your best option. For someone looking to have a workstation qualities in a laptop, MacBook Pro is the answer. Offering powerful setting, it is an all-rounder under $2,200. Adding both efficiency and interactivity, the touch bar makes the selection and customization easy. The Pro runs with a 6-core Intel processor and 16GB RAM. What's perfect for professional is its AMD Radeon graphics card and Retina display with full color accuracy. This gives an edge when you're looking for a great power GPUs and looking to do work in a timely fashion. Next is our pick for the best 2-in-1 laptop, and Dell XPS 13 takes the trophy. After the introduction of Ultrabooks, it can be daunting to choose the perfect 2-in-1 laptops. Dell XPS 13 gives the versatility, power and performance. A premium looking machine priced under $1,300 also come in the sizes 15 inches and 17 inches. The XPS 13 offers the perfect balance between affordability and function. The 13.3 inches 4K display and a touchscreen with an edge-to-edge view make it more convenient to browse and view things. A powerful multitasker with Intel i7 CPU, 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD, the XPS packs a lot. What gives it an edge over MacBook Air is connectivity. It provides 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, a USB-C port, a micro SD card slot and an audio jack. It falls short on battery at 8 hours with its price. You might want to check the Acer Aspire E15 if you are looking for an extended battery life. Coming to our last laptop, the Acer Aspire E15 is the king of budget laptops at a sweet price of $350. It solves all your worries about having to choose a good laptop with a tight budget. Powered by an Intel i3 processor, it offers 6GB RAM and 1TB hard disk drive, which is a great deal for a laptop at this level. The excellent battery life of 13 plus hours compensates for its standard full HD LED display with low brightness. You can spend the day without a charger. The Acer Aspire E15 has a strong speakers, a disk drive and USB connectivity for the fast data transfer. Although it cannot handle heavy tasks like other laptops on our list, it aims at being the most reliable device for the budget. The keypad and touchpad are designed consciously with space and work best with Windows 10 gestures. Hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video. Which laptop did you like? Comment below. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel. We have mentioned links to all the products with the best prices, so don't forget to check the description below. That's all for this video.